Hi, I'm Dog Whisperer Big Chuck McBride, and welcome to Dog Intervention. And we're here today with Cosmo, who has a little problem with walking and a little problem with insecurity. So our goal is to get Cosmo to walk. So hang on to your hats, come along for the ride. This is Dog Intervention, and I'm Big Chuck McBride. Okay, the first thing we need to do with the insecure dog that won't walk, we need to make them go forward. Cosmos is probably going to shut down, so let's try it. As you can see, Cosmo shut down. So what we do, we don't pull and yank her and make her go that way. We just stop. But we always keep tension on the leash so that she can't move backwards. And then we let her think about it by releasing a little tension, making her a little bit more calm. And then we ask her to move a couple inches forward. And then we stop again. But she moved forward. The key to an insecure dog is to not let them move backwards or be afraid of anything that they're insecure about. It's our job as pack leaders to make sure that they move forward. She settled down, we released the tension, and now we're going to move forward again, even if it's a couple inches. Notice that every time we use calm, consistent correction, right? And follow through in this case, because we had to ask the dog more than once, it gets better every time. It's dog psychology. It's how they think. When we think like dogs, then we can control dogs. So now we're going to ask Cosmos to move forward again. Remember, if theory is correct, it should get better every time. Now we'll stop. We'll make Cosmo a little bit more at ease. We'll put her behind us. Shh, 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 shh. And notice that we have her moving. That's how easy it is, guys. Again, the key is to make sure that Cosmo is not allowed to move backwards, only to move forward. So let's try it again. Your dog if they react to talking. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Okay, guys, that's how easy it is. Remember, with insecure dogs that won't walk, the key is to make them move forward. They're going to shut down initially, but what you do, again, is keep tension on the leash and don't allow them to move backwards. I'm Dog Whisperer Big Chuck McBride, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Eric, my cameraman, is doing what he loves to do, which is eat. So we're at a local McDonald's, and right after the shoot, he had to have a hamburger. We're going to catch him in action. So we're sneaking up on Eric right now. He's secretly gorgeous, even though he's dedicated himself to a diet. But I'm catching him. Caught you red-handed.